Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have, well, something unusual for my channel. It's a gun lock with Rugo branding, and it says on here that it's Armadillo made in China. So Rugo are an American gun manufacturer, but obviously they're using a Chinese company to make this. It says Armadillo, I don't know what that means. It's a brand, it's a type of lock mechanism, I don't know, but it's a number 5035 50mm, I assume by 35mm padlock. Now this is basically just a padlock attached to a bracket of metal with apparently some non-marring coating, although it's quite hard. Not sure how much that would be effective in not marking up your rifle, because it's a rifle, not a pistol lock, and it's got a rubber coating on the shackle here, which is much softer. So and I didn't know how this worked. I had to find online the manual from Rugo to explain this, and apparently you retract the bolt of your rifle and you slide this into the action, and it keeps it open and it stops you from being able to fire the rifle at all. So it's probably very effective. I'm sure there's a million people in the comments who will tell me everything I've got wrong and about this type of mechanism, because I'm not familiar with it, I'll be perfectly honest. Okay, the key, actually the bitting looks pretty good, very up and down, 4 pins though, which is not particularly great. It looks like there's no ball bearings here, so it looks like you have a shimmable, or theoretically shimmable lock as well, but we're not interested in bypasses really. So let's have a go at picking this. Going to pop in a turning tool. And I noticed that, I've got a triple peak rake here. I noticed that the rake doesn't go in very far at all. So you've got to be a bit, oh, wow. And, and a bit fell off the top. I mean, it's only a bit of plastic. But can we just point out how bad the overpaint here is? It's really bad, isn't it? Although I quite like that Rugo logo, looks like a phoenix. But yeah, that opened up real fast. Since it's open, I'm going to take this bracket off. Makes it a little bit cumbersome. Just pop it down there, and yeah, pop that in. I wonder if I can just do a little single pin pick of this maybe as well. I think there should be room to do something in here. Let's have a go. So, find the pins. Pin 4, nothing. 3, pin 2. There we go. Back to pin 4 again maybe. Oh, that's 4, 2, 1, and it's a little click on 3 maybe. Just trying to see if we have picked it. The bitting is such that it's likely I'm oversetting a pin here. It's got to be a little bit careful of that. Oh, hit 1 and we're open. So yeah, I think that obviously with the bitting like this, yeah, you're very much at risk of oversetting pin 3 when you're trying to pick pin 4. If you're not careful, got to be very accurate with that placement. But yeah, really doesn't hold up much to lock picking. I'm sure that you can get a shim in there as well. It's not a great level of security, is it? But like I said, not my area of expertise. Please do let me know what you think about this lock in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, then please consider subscribing. It really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.